Hi everyone, it's Ding Ding Kitchen here with a family recipe. Today I'm going to be sharing my yong tofu, also known as stuffed tofu with pork. This is so good, I can't even tell you how good it is. Let's get started. Start by soaking the dried mushrooms in water. Soak it for a minimum of 1 hour. After 1 hour, wash thoroughly with some cornstarch. Then, cut off the stem. Now, soak the mushrooms again in hot water. Next, finely chop the carrots, white onions, and green onions. Next, squeeze out all the water from the mushrooms. Then, finely chop the mushrooms as well. Lastly, we can mince the garlic for the sauce. Now we can marinate the pork. Here we have some chicken bouillon and white pepper, sugar, cornstarch, oyster sauce, light soy sauce, and sesame oil. Mix it up. Then add all the chopped ingredients. Every time I make this dish, I always make more, so that I can stuff the red and yellow peppers too. Use scissors to cut an opening at the top. Then create a pocket in the center of the tofu. When stuffing the tofu, make sure to use the other end of the spoon to fully push in the meat. Otherwise, the bottom won't have any filling. Now we can cook the tofu. In a pan on medium-high heat, add some oil and pan fry the top of the tofu. Once there's enough color, flip. Continue to pan fry for about 30 more seconds. Then, remove the tofu from the pan. Add a little bit more oil if needed and stir fry the garlic. Once the garlic is golden, add some black bean sauce. Stir fry for a few seconds until fragrant. Then, add 1 cup of water. Add oyster sauce, sugar, and a few drops of dark soy sauce. Now we can add the tofu back into the pan. Reduce to medium-low heat and cover to steam for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, we can take out the tofu. Turn on high heat now and add the slurry to thicken. For the slurry, I put about 2 teaspoons of cornstarch with 1.5 tablespoons of water. Once it's thickened, we can add the sauce to the tofu. Finish off with some green onions on top. Be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss the video when I make the stuffed peppers and eggplant as well. If you enjoyed today's video, click here to check out another recipe. Or if you didn't enjoy the video, maybe try this one here, please.